And according to our Indian Constitution, Article 21A, our government is duty bound to impart free education to those children who are between the age group of 6 to 14 years. So, if education gets privatized, then the objective of this article will fail.
Hello friends, I am Noor Alam Siddiqui, Director of Oxford English Classes, and now you are watching Learn English in a Short Time. Today, Mubashir Siddiqui and Sayyid Haris will come for debate. The topic of their debate is, should education be fully privatized or not? Now, I would like to call Mubashir Siddiqui and Sayyid Haris for debate.
Hello everybody, this is Mubashir Siddiqui here,
and this is Sayyid Haris here.
and today we have come here in debate round. The topic of our debate is, should education be fully privatized or not?
And I am in favor of it, because if education is privatized, teachers will teach properly and attentively. They give their proper attention to students, so education should be privatized.
No, Mr. Harris, the matter is not so, because if education gets privatized, then where the poorest students will go for getting education? Because as we know that the fees of private school is very high, which can't be afforded by the poor parents. So I think that it's not necessary to privatize education.
No, Mr. Mubashir, I don't agree with you, because there are so many private schools which take less fee and provide quality education, so education should be privatized.
No, I am sorry to disagree with what you say, because I think that these schools may be exceptionals. For example, in Delhi, the condition of government schools are far better than those of private school, and the discipline system is also excellent, and the students also know that how to speak English fluently. So I think that each and every state government should try to learn a lesson from Delhi government. So I think that education should not be privatized.
But we live in Bihar, and the condition of our state schools are not good. Teachers only pass their time, they don't teach properly. So education should be privatized, and if education is privatized, teachers will give their proper attention to students. So education should be privatized.
No, I don't agree with you, because it's totally the fault of those teachers who are dishonest and passing their time, as well as they are wasting their precious time of students, because they should try to know that by passing their time they are also playing with the future of students. So our government should also take some strict actions against those teachers who are dishonest. So education should not be privatized.
Education should be privatized, because if education is privatized, teachers will teach discipline to students and students will learn discipline. So education should be privatized.
No, I don't think so, because it totally depends on the mentality of the students as well as the environment of home of the students. The parents should also try to teach discipline to their children so that they are well disciplined. And according to our Indian Constitution, Article 21A, our government is duty bound to impart free education to those children who are between the age group of 6 to 14 years. So, if education gets privatized, then the objective of this article will fail. As a result, our government will not work properly. So, education should not be privatized. Instead of privatizing education, our government should take some steps so that the condition of government school may also develop. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.